Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Web Trial. Today we will learn about errors, scope and more. If you want more, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's start our session. Next we will move on to JavaScript, essential errors and scope and more. These are the topics you have to learn today. First one, JavaScript errors. There are types and handling of errors. Next you will see scope. Next you will see hosting, and also you can see what is strict mode. Let's start our session with one by one. First we will start with JavaScript errors and what are the types and what are the handlings. Here JavaScript errors, and we will see what is an error and why we can use it. Here I am taking it. An error occur when something going wrong in your code, then error will occur. These are the types of errors. Type 1, syntax error. Next type 2, reference error. Next type 3, type error. First one, syntax error. This is an error. It will occur when an incorrectly we will write and code. It will occur. Next one is reference error. In this will occur when we can using an undefined variable, then in this reference error will occur. Next one is type error. We can use any wrong data type inside a code, then in this type error will occur. Here I am taking one simple example for reference error. First I am taking a variable a. The value of a I am taking, the value is 5. Then I am printing the value of b. Here I am not taking the value of b. Then I am printing the value of b. Then that will reference error will occur. Next we will see its execution part, then you can understand it. Before going to execution, first we will see what are the types of handlings in errors in JavaScript. Means in this try, catch and finally was used to handle the errors in JavaScript. Here it is. Means in this try, catch and final keywords is used to handle the errors. First I am taking one simple example using error like syntax, reference error and type error. Here I am taking one simple examples for syntax error, reference error and type errors, and also I am using try catch to handle errors. Here I am clarify it. Next we will move on to execution part, then I will clarify one by one. Next, here I am taking a heading as JavaScript errors. Then inside passage I am taking, this is syntax error example. So I am taking a passage as syntax error. Inside script I am taking a try. Try is handle an error. It can identify error. Here I am taking an alert message like hello. Then I am taking only single quotation before hello. I am not closing that single quotation. And then I am taking catch block. Catch of, here I am taking error like error. Here I am displaying which type of error it is using alert of error dot like message. Next I am closing it. See, Here I am taking that as evil of alert of hello, then only it will display like syntax error. Here I am removing one single quotation, then I am closing it, then I am running the code. See, there is no errors. Here I am taking double quotations for both sides from alert message, then I am here I am printing like error is like that, error colon, then I am running the code. It display like it, here there is no errors. Here it will miss alert type of, then I am running the code. It display error invalid or unexpected token. This is an syntax error. This is about syntax error. Next we will see reference error. Here I am removing a passage syntax error. I am placing here as reference error. Here I am removing alert message. Here I am taking a variable type. Here I am taking a x value as y plus 1, means I will not take the y value, so this is the reference error. Then I am running the code. It display as error y is not defined. This is about reference error. Next we will see TypeError. Here I am taking a variable, a number type, number equal to 1. Then I am printing like number dot to uppercase of. Here I am taking like to uppercase, means to change a number into uppercase, like smaller to lowercase into uppercase. It is not possible in number, so it display like an error is number dot uppercase is not a function. This is about type error. Next we will see JS scope, where JavaScript having 3 types of scopes. First one is global scope, and next one is function scope, and next one is block scope. Global scope is outside a function we declare a variable, and function scope is inside function we declare a variable, and block scope is inside parentheses we use a variables let and constant. Next we will see one simple example about scope. You can see here I am taking one simple example about global function and block. You can understand it. First I am taking before a function a variable x, and also I am taking inside a function a variable y, and also I am inside parentheses I am taking one variable like z. It is a block scope, and inside function it is a function scope, and outside a function x is a global scope. This is about our example. Next we will see scope execution part. Before going to execution, here we will see I am taking one simple execution part code. Here I am taking outside function as a variable a value I am taking as 10. Inside function I am taking a b value 20, and inside function I am calling both a and b using two messages like console.log of a and console.log of b, and next I am closing a function. Next I am printing another value b using console.log of b. It is like a reference error, it will not print a value, so we can't access outside of function. Then we can only the code inside the scope can access its variables, so you can understand it. Next we will see its execution part, then you can understand it. Here I am taking a heading as JavaScript scope, and inside script tag I am taking first a variable a value I am taking as 2. It is a global scope, means I am taking outside of function I am declaring a variable. This is the global scope. Then I am taking one function. I am taking a method name as function show, and I am inside function I am taking a variable b. I am taking a value as 3. Here it is a function scope, so I am taking a comment as function scope. Then I am printing both a and b value inside a function using alert message, alert of a, and I am taking for b also alert of b. Then I am taking here as a block scope, like I am taking one statement, if statement, if true then print. Then I am taking here another variable as let c equal to, I am taking a value as 4. It is a block scope, so I am printing here an alert of c. Then here I am calling a value show, method show of. Here I am taking a comment as block scope, because I am taking inside a parenthesis. Next I am running the code. It display the values a and b and c, a value of a, 2, 3 and 4 ABC values. Then this is about JavaScript scope. Next I am taking outside of function I am printing the value of b. Then I see it will print or not. Here it will take only c, then it will not print. This is about JavaScript scope. Next we will see JS hosting. Hosting is nothing but JavaScript moves declarations to the top. Here I am taking example as first I am declaring a variable x. Next I am taking means I am initializing a variable x value I am taking as 10. This I am executing this code. It display it as undefined, but it will not take an error. Where is hosted with value undefined. Let and constant are hosted but not initialized. This is about hosting. Next we will see this example execution. First inside I am taking a heading as example for hosting. Inside script I am taking one alert as, means I am declaring a variable a. Next I am initializing the value of a using var. I am taking the value of a is 5. Then I am running the code, display it as undefined, but it not take an error. This is about execution. Next, here hosting using let and constant. Here I am declaring first a variable a. Next I am initializing a variable a, value is 5. We already discussed let and constant are not usable before declaration. Next we will see its execution part. Here I am taking a heading as example for hosting. Then inside script tag I am taking first I am taking the value of x, then I am printing it, means I am declaring the value using document dot get element by id. Get element by id. I am taking id as demo. Inside double quotations I am taking as demo. Then dot inner html equal to, I am printing the value of x, means I am declaring a value x. Then I am initializing a variable x. Then I am executing a code. See here inside passage I am taking the id of output type as demo. Here I am taking id as demo. Then I am running the code. It display the value is 5. This is about execution. Next we will see JavaScript strict mode. Strict mode is nothing but safer in modern JavaScript. Use it by adding use strict at the top of the code. Like here I am taking one simple example like that. Here I am using use strict, and next I am taking the value of x is 5. It takes it as error like reference error, and it prevents using undeclared variables and deleting a variable. It will not allow duplicating parameters also. This is about strict mode. Next we will see one example for this. Here I am taking example for strict mode. Here I am using use strict, and here inside I am taking a function, a method name as I am taking as test of. Here I am using duplicate values as a and a. Inside function I am printing the value of a. Then in this strict mode is not allowed duplicate values inside a function. So we will see its execution part, then you can understand it. Here I am taking a heading as example for strict mode. Then inside script tag I am taking you in double quotation use street. I am closing street using semicolon. Then I am taking a function. I am taking here a method name is test of. Inside method I am passing two parameters. I am taking two, both are same, means here I am taking duplicate values a and a. Then inside function I am printing the value of a using alert message. Then I am calling method test of. I am passing values 2 and 0. Then I am see there is no errors. Then I am running the code. Then it will not display the output because it will not allow duplicate values. Next, I am removing here. It will not display. Here I am removing A and placing B. Then I am running the code. It display value 2, the A value. This is about execution of strict mode. Next we will see practice task. Here I am taking one simple code. What is your task in the code is identify hosting, scope and strict mistakes, and also fix and explain what went wrong, and identify the errors inside a code and fix it. This is about your today's practice task. Execute your code cleaner and execute your code and get the results. Next, wrap up our session. Let's see what we covered today. Topics is common JS errors, means JavaScript errors, and how to handle them. And also we can see scope, like there are 3 scopes in JavaScript. First one global, next one function, and block scope. We will see all those things. And also we will see hosting using where versus let, and also constant behavior. Next also we will see about strict mode. In this strict mode, writing safer code. And also we can see strict used in all scripts. And also we can see more examples for these all topics. This is about today's topics. Next we will see tomorrow on new topics. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you on next day. Please you do practice task and execute your code cleaner and execute your code and get the results. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. See you on next day with new topic.